Greetings, everyone. Greetings, greetings, greetings. We are here looking at the quartz. So we'll take a look at the quartz and see how clear and how individually each one has taken its shape. Now, each one can come to you, and the value of each one is based on what is the value that you place on it itself. I could put a price on each one. However, they've all been cleaned and situated. Oh, we got emeralds over here too. So you got the quartz, and this is lapis lazuli. Okay, and these here are some kyanite, and it's been, and all these could be used as tools for healing purposes. That's why the name is healing stones, and that's what these things do. They help heal. And then we have some clear quartz, smoky quartz, coming over here, and still wet. And these here ones would kind of cut you really good, but they've been polished to the point that you can hold them, and they won't hurt you. They won't cut you. All right. So back again, we have, oh, this is tourmaline, pink tourmaline. So you can see the pink tourmaline. Yes, indeed, pink tourmaline. And there you go, some emeralds. Yes, sir. So what the emeralds do is something to these, to the effect where the rubies and sapphires aren't here. I took them back there. They're loading up, taking care of their responsibilities too. So, as you can see, there's many different designs with you in mind, made by the God of all creation. See, I could take some of these and I can use them, and no, they're already available for you to use, and they're already situated. I don't have to cut them or polish them no more, because they're ready to go. Shoom, taking off. See, different designs that God has created on planet Earth for you and me. So it's up to you if you want to participate. And if I was you, I'd participate from this person that talk about he got some stones, and he's, look at this octahedron shape, or whatever orthodox shape, nice and polished. It's got a pinkish color too, so I keep that one for myself, put that in the unusual character basket. And over here in the buckets, we have more work to be done. So with that being said, with this tutorial, we just want to let you know you can use these stones in the process of helping other people, and you can make some money at it and teach other people to do the same. So it's up to you. I'm just giving you the example. It's up to you, because I've done my part, and I've enjoyed these stones immensely around the world. And many of you will never ever get to go and never ever get to inquire. But in the meantime, in between time, I bring these to you so that you can make a choice for yourself. Be strong as a rock, or falter in the quicksand that's coming below. With all of that being said, have a nice today, have a good tomorrow, and all these stones are available at the price you set. Hello, Tulu.